Welcome back. I'm glad you decided to continue on with this crochet along. Here's where we left off. We are on day 2. So the next couple of clues are actually going to be really easy. For here, we're going to just chain 3, and then we're going to put 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. We're not going to increase anywhere. We're not decreasing anywhere. We're just putting 1 double crochet in each stitch around. So let's go ahead and finish this row, and then we'll come back for the next clue. Okay, I'm all the way around. Here's how it looks. We're going to attach with a slip stitch to the first double crochet. The next round is going to be slightly different. We're going to chain 3, and we're going to do back post double crochets. If you're not familiar with back post, you just yarn over like you're doing a double crochet. Instead of going into the normal spot here, you put your yarn in between this double crochet and this one, kind of pushing this one forward, and you yarn over and you do your double crochet the same way. It's just that instead of going in here, you're going to go in between the stitch, and then pull up a loop and finish your double crochet. I'll do it one more time so you can see. This is the completed one right here, so I'll go in through the back of right next to the one we completed, and then go in the next space, come up, and double crochet. All right, so do that all the way around, and then we'll come back for the last of our clues for today. Okay, I think you can see now how this is coming up. It should have, that's supposed to do that. So as you're going around with your back post double crochets, that kind of brings this up a little bit. And so from now on, we don't want that like little line that comes from attaching with a slip stitch. So we're just going to do continuous rounds. So your stitch marker is going to be very important here, because this is where we're going to mark where the first stitch is every time. So the next round, we're going to go around and just put 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So I'm just going to right away single crochet, not even attaching, and I'm going to put my stitch marker right here to know that this is the first stitch. So I'll just show you a couple of stitches, and then we'll pause and come back and see. This is the last of the clues for today. We'll see how this is working out and how to save where you are. All right, I came all the way around with a single crochet, and the way we're going to end the row is we're going to single crochet right into that first stitch. So we are ending in the first stitch of the next round. You're not going to attach, you're just going to single crochet right into it, and then put the stitch marker in. By doing continuous rounds, we're not going to get that weird line. All right, so there is our clue for day 2. Thanks for sticking with it, and I hope we'll see you tomorrow.